So in this video today I will show you the repairing of a central air conditioning chilled water pipelines. As you can see, a valve is get damaged. This is a disc type of valve that is used to control the flow of the chilled water in the central air conditioning pipelines. So this is very cumbersome process to change this. As you can see, this whole chamber is made here for a service station type of thing. As you can see the cover here, the cover is normally closed, and then the entrance from here, and one can enter into the chamber. As you can see, there are so many other electric pipelines, cables are passing through the same chamber. This is a underground passage that carries different pipelines, including normal drinking water pipeline, central air conditioning pipeline, and electric cable to supply the electricity into our campus. As you can see, a welder is sitting and doing repairing work. The pipeline is passing through this chamber. The pipeline that carries chilled water from the central air conditioning plant and going to various locations of the institute for air conditioning purpose. So these are two pipes of larger diameter, duly insulated. भैया इसका डाया कितना है पाइप का?
तो मेरे बाप डाया कितना है इसका?
300 mm है, पूछ लीजिए।
300 mm.
He is telling this is 300 mm, but it appears this is more than 300 mm. I will confirm it from another person.
पूछ के पूरे बता दो, पूरा ठीक से ना।
And the main component that is getting repaired here is these two valves. The valves were defective and now they are replacing it with the new valve. They have already replaced it. The faulty valve was lying upside, and this is new replaced disc type of valve in between the pipeline. The handle to operate the valve, open or close. This is disc type of valve, and they have operated this pipe from here. As you can see, there is a cut mark, and now the cut mark again is being repaired by means of leak proof welding. An expertise in the welding is required to make sure the leak proof welding in the system, because any kind of leakage in the system is not at all required. To avoid the wastage of chilled water, there must not be any leakage in the system. Moreover, if water gets leaks from any point, then it causes corrosion of the pipe as well as spoilage of the insulation, and ultimately reduction in the efficiency of overall system. So the insulation part they have removed from this service area, and then the valve was repaired. The valve is fixed with the help of nut and bolts that can be seen. A flange both sides, and then the valve inserted into the both flanges and then bolted properly. Now if possible I will try to enter and see more closely how a welder underneath the pipe is welding. So the welding is clearly visible as how the mild steel pipe is being welded. Now the welding joint will make it seamless. A small ring type of joint is added in between the two pipes that was cut already, and now the ring is being added to the system. The thickness of the pipe is about 10 mm. As you can see here, again a ring is fixed. This will again be welded through the same procedure. And now if you look at the view inside the chamber, the passage is going this way, and here is the condition. Some water is filled due to leakage, and a complete underground pipeline is going. So this is the valve, and the another here.
हिल रही
Yeah, this is really very difficult work to do. And the top view
अभी नहीं
of the chamber, that is RCC, cement, concrete, and enforced with the iron bars.
Sir, included my face.
Yeah, he is the person.
Thank you so much.
He is doing this welding work. Really very difficult work. बहुत अच्छा भैया.
Thank you.
And the another person sitting here, really very difficult work. No. Thank you भैया. So this was the system being repaired, the welding machine that is being used at 177 amps current is being taken by the machine for the welding, and the cables and all is going into the system. And this was the valve. This is disc, and when we operate this handle wheel, so this disc rotates this way or this way to open the flow of the chilled water in the system. The size of this valve is 300 mm. These are the defective valves, and defect can be seen from the side somewhere because the water is leaking, so they declare it as a defective. So this type of valve.